people, my name is Bojana Aleksova and today I will be teaching you how to make a traditional Bulgarian Shopska Salata. All you will need for this beautiful salad is some extra virgin olive oil, a cucumber, a couple of tomatoes, a green pepper, a white onion and some feta cheese. Traditionally, in this salad we also put parsley, but I don't have any right now, so if that's available to you, you can also chop some parsley and put it on top of the salad. You are going to want to roast the green pepper in the oven for approximately 15 minutes. Wash the cucumber and tomato. Leave them to drain out for a little bit and then start chopping. Take the grilled pepper out of the oven after 15 minutes and let it cool down. In the meantime, we'll cut up some feta cheese. Cut up the pepper in big or small chunks, whatever you prefer. Add the feta cheese. If you prefer, you can grate it depending on the consistency of the cheese. This cheese is pretty soft, so I'm just crumbling it. And after you add the feta cheese, you can add the parsley on top. Now add some extra virgin olive oil, some salt, and that's it! Enjoy your delicious Shopska Salata. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, share if you wish, and let us know in the comments below if you liked it. Follow our page for more recipes from Central and Eastern Europe.